Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today real quick to share with you some things I've been working on. I'm on my GoPro, which I've never used to film videos before, so bear with me. And I am holding it in one hand, so I'm going to try to do this with one hand. But I have ones I made, and I was going to assemble this, but because I have to use my GoPro, it's not going to work if I'm holding it. So I did make this belly band to go around. Sorry, like you're moving everywhere. I'm so sorry. So I made this belly band to go around this 3-compartment container. I've included some die cuts as well as some beads that they could make dangles and all kinds of stuff with. I guess I could take them out. So some of them are assembled, some of the die cuts, and some of them are not. Some of them they still have to put together. But you can kind of see what's in there, huh? And then here's some more die cuts of just some fall leaves. So it was a fall theme, veteran theme. Anything in November, veterans, fall, the Wally. Maybe not the Wally, but that's what you could include in the swap. And like we did last month, if you did not see that video, I will post it here, a link, so you can go check it out. And we're making 15 die cuts, a sequence mix to share, and a treat. And I think I forgot the treat, but as you know, that's not 15 die cuts. So I did. I do have another project to share here. And I made these stacked envelopes, and in each envelope I've included some die cuts. So that'll top off the 15. But this is the first one. And I've included some fall felt leaves I found. I die cut a bunch of these wagons so they can, you know, stuff some stuff in the wagon, make a scene on a card or scrapbook. Okay, you don't want to go back in like how he was. That's the first pocket. And then the second one, I've cut out a whole bunch of different coffee cups and all the accessories so they can, you know, make some different types of coffee cups. I also included a little door hanger. It says, "But I think I love fall most of all." There is one on the back and it's for Halloween, I believe. Oh no, it says "Get up while it's hot." So that's another little treat I stuck in there for them. And then the last envelope, I've included some stamps. So we could stamp images. So besides the die cuts, we could include images. And I was not really clear on the images. I just stamped a whole bunch on a sheet of different type of fall ones. So I guess we can color them, or if they're on colored paper, we could fussy cut them out to use them on our projects. But yeah, so that's the last envelope. And so I did make 3 of them for each of my crafty friends. There's another. And here is another. But yeah, so real quick, just wanted to jump on before I give these to them today. We are meeting. It's Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service if you're a veteran, and for the freedoms that we enjoy in our country. So that's it for now. I'll be back soon. I know I haven't been around. I've been quite busy with life. I haven't even been in my craft room to do anything, but hopefully soon. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!